how to fix the WhatsApp trigger node inside n8n. And in this video, I'm essentially going to share you the solution I found to fix this entire problem. First of all, I'm just going to show you that it actually works. So I'm just going to run this node, and then I'm just going to write test. As you can see here, how I wrote test. And then I will click on this node so I don't dox myself. And you will see this. This is the test I just wrote to myself. And if you ran into this, you probably read some posts like this where somebody's talking about this problem, or maybe you read this in some other forum, which is the n8n forum, about how it's not receiving anything, but I can send messages to myself, which I could also do. I could use this node here and send a message to myself, but for some reason I couldn't really receive anything with the trigger node, and I was essentially sitting there for 2 hours just trying to figure this out. And the reason for why is because somebody hired me to fix that for them. And I had already fixed this for myself, but I thought I didn't remember that you had to do this. So this has to be something new that they just added or something, because I didn't remember that you had to do this. But either way, to get back to the video, is that to fix this entire thing, first of all, we need to essentially, I'm going to guess that you've set up everything. So you've already added in your client ID and client secret here, and that is essentially done. And then you've actually made it, you actually connect at least, and you can turn it on without any sort of errors. If you have done that, the next step is you need to subscribe to this subscribe apps. And you just need to do it through this. And this is going to be a 23. And all you need to do really is put your business ID in here. So you need to remove all of this and put your business ID in here. And the second thing you have to do is you have to take authorization, and you need to add in your generated access token in here. And that's really it. And then you need to execute that step, and you're done. And I have everything set up for myself here. So if I run that, it's just going to run it because I've added all my keys there. But I'm also going to show you where you can get those keys. And I'm not really going to go into the page, because I'm going to assume that at this point, if you're at this point, you essentially tried out every single way to solve this, and you haven't found a solution, and you're just going like, what am I supposed to do? You've already gone through every single page. You already know this. So that's why I'm not really going into the page and just showing you things here, because I'm just assuming that you're at a point where you know every single page, because you've gone through it for like 50 times. Either way, so we have my apps, and this is the app name. And then, of course, you have WhatsApp. So you go to WhatsApp, you go to API testing. On API testing, so quick start, you will have your WhatsApp business account ID. And that's the ID I showed you where to put it. So essentially, if we go back here, in this URL, you can put your business ID in here. So that's what you need. The second thing is the access token, which is here. So all you need to do is just generate the access token, and then go back in here and paste it in here, and you're done. That's literally it. And then you're essentially done. And if you run this, it's going to give you an OK. And then if you run this right after, and you write whatever you want to write, it's going to receive the message. And if I want to, I can just publish the app. And then I can go to executions, and I can write lol. And you will just see that it will just update it now on the left side in a short second or so. And there you go. It took a bit. It took 0.8 milliseconds. But as you can see here, everything is working. So right now, and this is the fix. So yeah, as mentioned before, somebody paid me like $100 for this fix here, and that person already spent 8 hours themselves trying to find that solution. So when I jumped on it, it went faster because I already knew like what avenues didn't make sense and where to actually go look, because some of the things didn't really make sense. Like, hey, take a look here with the webhook. I didn't really think that will make a lot of sense. So, but yeah, either way, here's the solution. Use it. Have fun with it. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.